Hello everyone and welcome to Friday's Celebration Assembly. Well, you can see that today we have Jinxy with us. Yes, he is. He has been going around school and most of you have now got to meet Jinxy, at least to see him. He's still going to be around. He's not in every day because he's just learning all the rules and how to behave himself in school. But I think he's doing fantastic. And so have you been with him as well. And he wants to say thank you. Oh, and he's even moving our camera. All right, Jinxy. Now, I need to do our celebrations. And I think Betty wants to have just a moment as well. So you go sit down over there like a good boy. Right. And Betty, come on, Betty. Come, Betty. There's Betty. And Betty's here as well, ready to hear who has been working so very hard this week. Are you ready? Okay. So, let's see. Jinxy messed up our camera a little bit. We'll fix it. Yes. And now we're ready to name all of the people who receive awards. In the Going for Gold Awards in Leeds class, we have Ella for quickly settling into Newlands despite a tearful start. And Arthur for a great effort in becoming more independent with his personal care. In York 1, we have Nevaeh for always working hard, smiling every day, and being a great friend. And we have Jensen for being a super role model on a laptop in the craft area. In York 2, we have Faith for fantastic drawing of who lives in her house. And we also have Sophie for enjoying and trying a school dinner. We have in Hall class Cameron for super independent writing about the 3 little pigs. And Leo for fantastic independent work in maths on 1 more and 1 less. In Nottingham class, we have SJ for super partitioning of numbers in different ways. And Gabe for great partitioning of numbers into 10s and 1s. In Liverpool class, we have Lexi for super partitioning in her maths this week. And Izzy for really trying hard to put spaces between her words in writing this week. Cardiff class, we have Charlie for his excellent contributions to the work about the Romans. And we also have Oakley for completing his history work and even writing extra. In Edinburgh class, we have Freya for asking thoughtful questions during the work on Romans. And Jake H. for excellent participation in the Romans work. In Cambridge class, we have Ruby for her continued efforts in learning her spellings at home. And James for trying his best in class and staying in mainstream all day. In London class, we have Key and Dwayne for being a fabulous coach in tag rugby this week. And Ava for putting lots of effort with her power reading this week. In Oxford class, we have Mason for putting extra effort into completing his work, and Casper for persevering with addition and subtraction using decimals. Well done, children. Give yourselves a big hand. Really, really proud of you. And I know everyone here is proud of you as well. Now the year of knowing me. In Leeds class, we have Kenneth for persevering when matching shapes, and Teddy for showing resilience when trying to build a tower with blocks. In York class, we have Nadia for getting braver when using the toilets at school, and Jonathan for enjoying playing and sharing in the different areas of the classroom, inside and out. In York 2, we have Willow for showing resilience when practicing writing her name, and Orlo for showing resilience when also practicing writing his name. In Hall class, we have Olivia for showing resilience when completing some tricky challenges, and Artur for using his voice to express his wants and needs. In Nottingham class, we have Tristan for great effort with all of his work, and Alice for always trying her best with all of her work. In Liverpool class, we have Jacob for the amazing effort that he has put into his maths work this week. We also have Lorraine for putting 100% effort into everything she does. In Cardiff class, we have Isaac for always being the one of the first children to follow instructions and is ready to learn. And Isabella for challenging herself both in and out of school with her home learning and developing at a gymnastics club. In Edinburgh class, we have Lilia for excellent effort and working hard to make good choices every lesson. And Daisy for her positive attitude and effort with her learning. In Cambridge class, we have Lucas for always trying different food at lunchtime. In London class, we have Poppy for putting in lots of effort in all areas this week. And Dylan for exceptional effort with his presentation this week. In Oxford class, we have Holly for always putting 100% into everything she does. And Jacob P. for joining in enthusiastically when singing a French nursery rhyme. In Bakewell, we have Xavier for fantastic use of words and Louie for excellent phonics work. Well done to all of you. Give them a big clap. Excellent. We're really proud of you. Aren't we, Jinxy? We are. Aren't we, Betty? Yeah, Betty's coming. Yeah, Betty is excited as well. Really proud of all of you. Well done, children. Next week, we have even more to do. Have a good weekend. Bye. Bye.